So what is the best online business platform in the creator economy? Now, this is all going to depend on what functionalities you are going to be needing as a creator. Now, in this video, I'm going to review the top 10 best online business platforms for creators in today's creator economy, and stick to the end because I'm going to unveil the favorite one that I am currently using right now. But to start off with, what is the creator economy? It is basically anything that you can actually capture your knowledge and put it into digital products and sell across the globe. That is the creator economy. You creating content, videos, blog posts, anything like audio content, and people are consuming it and then following through, wanting to go deeper with you, wanting to work with you, and then purchase your products or your services. So in order to review these top 10 platforms, I'm going to dive straight on over into my laptop. Now, the first platform I'm going to review is Circle. Now, in each of these 10 reviews, I have done a more in-depth, full built-out video on each functionality within each platform, but I'm just going to summarize them in this video. If you wanted to go deeper, I do have an entire playlist of all of these reviews, but I will link to that as well. So Circle, in summary, if you are looking for community, if community is your number one, your priority for building an online business and fostering community and engagement and actually selling your products and services on a community platform, then Circle is probably one of the market leaders for community or memberships. Now, Kajabi is actually coming out with a brand new community soon, so watch this space, but there are a number of other rival platforms to Circle. But Circle is one of the front runners right now. So if you value community as your number one non-negotiable, Circle might be for you. Moving on to Patreon. Patreon is a crowdfunding platform. So if you didn't have too much in the way of products or services and you were more of a creator or an entertainer, Patreon might be for you. If you wanted to just crowdsource and crowdfund to actually get small donations from a large audience, if you already had a large audience, then Patreon might be your platform of choice. Next one then is High Level. Now, High Level have actually looked across the content creator platforms and taken some of the good or the best bits from a lot of the different platforms. So it does have quite a lot going for it. But the key focus or the key difference for me for High Level is it has a white label agency function. So if you were looking to grow an agency, or if you were an agency and you wanted to white label this service as a platform, then this might be for you. For example, if you branded your own platform, you could then go out to your audience and offer the subscription service that High Level does to its audience to your own list of subscribers. Next one then is School. Now, this has been heavily invested by some of these big creators that you see. Now, if it's communities that you're after, then it is rivaling Circle, but I see School as probably the Google of communities. It is really forward facing in terms of searchability. As you can see, discover communities. It's set up as a search engine. So if you wanted to start your own community or bunch of communities to be discovered, then actually this could be a good platform for you. Think of it like putting a blog post together. You put a community together so people can actually search it on the public domain. So again, if communities is high on your list, then School might be for you. Next one then is MailChimp. So if you are just starting out and you are on a budget and you're looking for an email or SMS solution, then MailChimp might be the platform for you. It allows you to open a free account and have up to a few thousand contacts before it actually charges you. So you can start your free trial and actually grow as you grow your business. In all honesty, this is where I started. I had a MailChimp account before I outgrew it and then went on to some other platforms. But if you're just starting out, MailChimp could be for you for email marketing solutions. Next one I have here is Squarespace. Now, Squarespace is quite an affordable platform still, a little bit more than MailChimp. But if you're looking to build out your main domain, your home pages, your landing pages, sales pages, and even host digital products like courses, this could be the platform for you. It doesn't do communities as well as Circle or potentially School, but if it was just courseware that you're after, then this could be for you. Next one then is Samcart. Now, Samcart did actually start as a checkout software, but has actually grown into offering other functionalities such as courses. But if you wanted probably one of the best checkout functions on the market, then Samcart would be for you. It offers some of the best functionalities in the checkout. And if you're looking for that highest conversion when people hit that checkout page, then check out Samcart because it's probably the platform for you. Next one then is WordPress. Now, WordPress accounts for over 40% plus of all of the websites on the planet. So if you are looking to build a website out with plugins and trying to make it bespoke for you, then WordPress might be the solution for you. Now, if you are looking to blog and rank blogs across the Google search, then this is probably the platform for you. If you're looking to build out anything else in addition to blogging or simple landing pages, then some of the other platforms might be better for you in terms of community and courseware. Next one up then is ClickFunnels. Now these guys have come from the world of internet marketing, where they're identifying what funnels are working and how well they're working and trying to hack what is working and what's not working to try and drive ads to a landing page and get the highest conversions. So if you are looking at driving paid traffic to landing pages and monitoring and testing like a scientist, then ClickFunnels might be for you. They also have ways of checkout and ways of putting courses and programs together, but actually this is a really good platform for internet marketing. Next one up then is Teachable. Now this is a great platform for putting digital courses together. And if this was something that you are putting high on your priority for courseware, you can not only put a cohort of students through a digital course, but you can really drill down on this platform on how your students have behaved, like where they're going to be dropping off, how they're getting their results, and you can actually gamify the whole program. So if you're looking at courses, then this could be the platform for you. So those are the 10 online business platforms that I have reviewed, but I've also left out one in particular, which is Kajabi. Kajabi is the platform that I know and love and that I currently use because of the requirements that I am looking for in an online business platform. But if you're on my YouTube channel, head to my playlists, and I've done a full comparison, full playlist of all of these platforms that I've just done on a deep dive. So if you wanted to see any of these and more about how I compare them with the platform of my choice, then head over to that now and you can see these in a full review. But I'm just going to dive straight on over into my Kajabi account and just show you what I use this for. So Kajabi is an all-in-one platform. I have used multiple platforms before, but combining this, I do use Kajabi now, and you can actually start quite affordably on the Kickstarter plan, which is just $69 a month if you're paying monthly. Now here, let me just go into the design of my website. This is all for the non-techie person. It's a click and drag. So anything you want to build out on your website, anything you want to build out in courses, memberships, communities, coaching products. I actually use quite a few other coaching products. This is my main homepage linked to my domain. Anytime you want to preview this, you can just click preview, and this is my main homepage. Anything you see about me online in terms of landing pages, blogs, programs, this is all through Kajabi. Kajabi is the only online platform I use to deliver my digital products. Yes, I use YouTube to grow my online audience, but I use Kajabi to deliver my products and services. And if you wanted to take Kajabi out for a test drive, take it out for a spin for an extended 30-day free trial, I'm a Kajabi partner, so I can get you access to that just by going through my link. Head to timpeakman.com/Kajabi. And I do offer some awesome bonuses if you sign up using my link. Firstly, as a thank you from me, I'm going to offer you immediate access to my course Kajabi Unboxed. This is what I would do first, second, third, fourth if I was unboxing my Kajabi account today in order to set it up for scale. And yes, this is an affiliate link. All that means is if you continue past those 30 days and then you continue to be a paying customer like me, all that means is part of your payment, your monthly payment, will come back to me in support of this channel at no extra cost to you. And as a second thank you from me, if you continue past those 30 days, just email me tim@timpeakman.com, show me proof of receipt, and then I will automate you a sales page template product. You can simply download the sales pages that I use in my Kajabi and upload them into your own account. So that link once more, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Check it out, get access to your 30 days and take it for a spin. So there we have it, some of the best online business platforms in the creator economy today, but it all depends on the functionalities you need. So make sure you are making the right decision for you and your business. But whichever platform you choose, I encourage you to keep creating content, keep publishing content, keep growing your online audience and positioning your products and services. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.